My favourite room is my bedroom. It is small, but it's very quiet. It has a single bed and a cupboard. There are some shelves on the walls with lots of books on them. There's a desk and a chair next to the window. There's a computer on the desk. I study there every evening. There's a great view of the city from the desk.
My favourite room is our dining room. There's a really big old table in it and 6 chairs. We have great meals here with our friends, but I also use the table to play games and work. There are some lovely, interesting things in this room. There's also a really old lamp from Japan on the table, and there's a big, expensive rug from Turkey on the floor. It's really beautiful. And there are some wonderful paintings on the wall by a French artist. It's a really interesting room, I think.
Well, my apartment only has one room, so that's my favourite room, I guess. But it's a great room. It's on the top floor of a building, above some shops. It's really big. It has a double bed and a big sofa. I eat my meals on that because I don't have a table. There's a kitchen area in the corner with a sink and a cooker, and there's a really big fridge for drinks and snacks. It's a great room. My friends love to come here and listen to music.